Happy Easter, you guys. Hello, look at Daddy.
That's disarmament.
Did you guys sleep good? Gesundheit. Kaylee's getting a handful. You forgot one, Kaylee.
That's Claire's.
Oh, okay. I don't know. You have to look for it.
I've got 2 jelly beans.
I've got 3 eggs.
There's really cool.
There's something on Daddy's placemat.
It's Daddy's Easter basket.
Yeah, and there's more eggs.
Oh, yeah. Claire.
Now I found
Are any of these Claire? Claire? There's 2 more on that napkins there. Who are those?
This one's stayed in the manor. I chose the green one. This is my pile.
Why don't you start making a pile? You put your egg here, and then you can go look for some more.
Her eggs there or something.
Go look for some more. Oops, sorry. Uh-oh, that didn't sound good. Yeah, it sounds like it.
This is definitely
Oh,
mine.
Kaylee found her basket.